the sound of living waters flowing deep inside of me, breaking chains, restoring mercy. Your river sets me free. Your voice is like the rushing waters, bringing life into the desert place. Your spirit pours, it never falters. Streams of grace, unending in the silence, you are moving, calling dry bones back to life. Every shadow falls before you. Your river brings the light. Your voice is like the rushing waters, bringing life into the desert place. Your spirit pours, it never falters. Streams of grace, unending flow, flow, Lord, flow, Lord, flood my soul with holy fire. Lord, your voice is like the rushing waters, bringing life into the desert place. Your spirit pours, it never falters. Streams of grace, unending where the river flows, the desert blooms again. Hope is rising up, new life will begin. is covered by your stream. Heaven's living waters pouring over me. River of revival, wash over us tonight. Spirit, bring your healing. Set every heart alive. River of revival, flowing from your throne. Come and flood your people. We are yours alone. In the quiet ground, I hear the waters roar. Calling prodigals, bringing them once more. Chains are breaking now, freedom's in the tide. Your love is overwhelming, rushing deep and wide. River of revival, wash over us tonight. Spirit, bring your healing. Set every heart alive. River of revival, flowing from your throne. Come and flood your people. We are yours alone. Flow in power, flow in grace. Flood this temple, fill this place. Flow in power, flow in grace. We surrender to your name. River of revival, wash over us tonight. Spirit, bring your healing. Set every heart alive. River of revival, flowing from your throne. Come and flood your people. We are yours alone. Streams of mercy rising, filling every soul. Healing for the broken, making bodies whole. in the dry and weary. Life begins to grow. Spirit, living water, overflow. Living streams, pour down on me. Spirit of the Lord, come set me free. Living streams, flood every heart, flow into the depths and never part. Grace is like a river rushing through the land, covering the nation, moving by your hand. Every thirst is answered, every heart restored. Living streams forever, flowing from the Lord. Living streams, pour down on me. Spirit of the Lord, come set me free. Living streams, flood every heart, flow into the depths and never part. Living streams of God, living streams of God arise within us. Holy living streams of God living streams of God arise near us. Holy living streams, pour down on me. Spirit of the Lord, come set me free. Living streams, flood every heart, I hear your whisper calling me to die. Through the waves of mercy, Spirit, come alive. Every fear is fading, every shadow flees. Draw me into fullness, bring me to my knees. like a river breaking, rushing over me. Waves of mercy crashing, setting captives free. Every chain is falling, every heart restored. Spirit move within us, mighty living Lord. Flood my soul with living water. Spirit, come and move. Bring your healing, bring your power, bring your endless truth. Flood my soul with holy fire. Spirit, rise anew. Come and fill us. We surrender all to you. In the quiet moments, I feel your presence near. Whispers of your goodness, casting out all fear. Every thirst is answered, every soul revived. Living streams of heaven flowing deep inside. Flood my soul with living water. Spirit, come and move. Bring your healing, bring your power, bring your endless truth. Flood my soul with holy fire. Spirit, rise anew. Come and fill us. We surrender all to you. Overtake me, overflow me. Flood my heart, flood my mind. Spirit, come and rise within me. All of me is yours tonight. Overtake me, overflow me. Flood my heart, flood my mind. Spirit, come and rise within me. All of me is yours tonight. crashing on the shore. Every heart is healed, every soul restored. In the quiet moments, I hear your gentle voice, calling me to trust, inviting me to rejoice. Waves of grace keep falling, endless is your love. Spirit rise, keep pouring from the throne above. Waves of grace keep falling, washing over me, river of your favor, flowing endlessly. When the storms are raging, you remain my peace. Your love is constant, never will it cease. Every fear is conquered, every chain undone. Your waves of mercy shine brighter than the sun. Waves of grace keep falling, endless is your love. Spirit rise, keep pouring from the throne above. Waves of grace keep falling, washing over me, river of your favor, flowing endlessly. Higher, stronger, waves of grace forevermore. Flood my heart, flood my soul, Spirit come and pour. Higher, stronger, waves of grace forevermore. Come and move, come and rise like never before. Waves of grace forevermore. Flood my heart, flood my soul, Spirit come and pour. Higher, stronger, waves of grace forevermore. Come and move, come and rise like never before. Waves of grace keep falling, endless is your love. Spirit rise, keep pouring from the throne above. Waves of grace keep falling, washing over me, river of your favor, flowing endlessly. Water for the thirsty, fire for the weak. Spirit come and fill us. We're longing for your peace. In the dry and broken, let your river